I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting in Windows 10. In the first step, go to search bar and type control panel. Then click here to open it. Then click on network and internet. Then click on network and sharing center. Click on Ethernet. Select properties. Now select client for Microsoft networks and click on configure. Then click on S. On this window, select power management tab and check these options. Then click on OK and close it. Now close all windows. Again go to search bar and type device manager. Then click here to open it. On this window, expand network adapters. Right click here and select update drivers. Now check this option, click here and click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now close this window. Now here comes an important part where we need to fix this issue using command prompt. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Then select S and it will open command prompt window. Just type cls to clear screen. The commands are little lengthier, so I have made it really simple for you. I have created a list. We will copy and paste them from there. So let's quickly open Chrome browser to open list of commands. Now search for house.tech Windows commands. You might be surprised how my Chrome is looking so attractive. So the reason is I was actually bored with the normal white Chrome theme. So I installed this extension on my Chrome called Anim Search. If you also want to make your computer a masterpiece, then I am putting the link in the description. Click on the first link, which is from house.tech. You should see commands option on top. Click on that. This is the place where we add necessary commands for the fixes we need. Copy these commands to scan all the issues, which is command number 11. Go back to command prompt and paste the command. Use right click to paste it and hit enter. This takes some time to complete the process. Now just type cls and open the list again. Now copy command number 12 and execute it. Similarly, execute command number 13. Now execute soc command, which is number 14, which will refresh the association between the libraries. Now we will check and fix all the disk errors using command number 15. Copy it and execute it. Now close all windows. That's it guys. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.